Hi guys, it's me again. I just want to make a quick video to tell you something about one of my favorite face creams ever. I used to be a Clinique customer in the past, and I have to say that Artistry for me is absolutely phenomenal. This is one of my favorite products from their new range because they don't do skincare, they do skin nutrition, which is fantastic. It's got probiotics with red algae. And I want to show you something. When I started this cream, I put the date down, and this is still going, and it's 1 time a day usage. So I wanted to ask yourself, how many tubes of plastics have I saved? Aside money and aside the fact that it's an absolutely fantastic cream with harsh chemicals out, and no paraben and vegan, and it's got SPF 30 as well, and quite strong protection actually, against the sun with UVA and UVB at 5 stars as well. 4 stars, that is, sorry. So I want you to ask yourself, how much plastic did I actually save? And if the ingredients are also sustainable produced, sustainable sourced, and the product is sustainable produced, then just think about that. Just think about how much change I can make with just one choice as a consumer.